Good afternoon, everyone. This is Stock Signals Philippines giving your top gainer and top loser analysis for May 17, 2017. This is not a stock recommendation. We encourage you to consider your financial goals, investment horizon, and risk tolerance when you make an investment decision. We cover the top 5 gainers and the top 5 losers in the premium version of this report. Please visit www.stocksignals.ph to learn more about our services. Our top gainer for the day is PXP, up 12.31% with a value of 76.5 million. So let's look at PXP. Okay, PXP has broken above resistance. It was actually strong. Two resistance levels was breached. First at 3.40, then at 3.51 or 52 rather, which is also where the 200 SMA is located. It closed at the next resistance at 3.74. If it continues moving higher, next possible resistance at 3.94. Your support right now is at 3.52. Your 15 and 20 SMA are pointing upwards. 20 SMA is about to do a bullish crossover versus the 50 SMA. There was also volume on the green candle today supporting a bullish move. MACD is bullish while RSI is also bullish but is now at overbought conditions. Fundamentally, the stock has negative earnings. Looking at the financials, it indeed has negative earnings even in the first quarter of 2017, negative 5 million pesos. However, stock is trading, let's look at the book value first. It's 0.37, or let's use the quarterly report. Oh my gosh, quarterly report is giving an erroneous value. Let's use the annual report, 0.37. So using 0.37, 3.11 divided by 0.37, 8.40 times price to book value, which is also quite expensive. So more of a technical play rather than a fundamental play right now. We go to the top loser. Our top loser is MCP, down 7.40% with a value of 125 million and net foreign selling of 20.2 million. Looking at MCP, it's a breach of short-term support at 7.99, or let's put it at 8 peso. Next support is at 7.49. Stock is now below the 15 EMA. There was some volume on the drop today. MACD is about to do a bearish crossover while RSI is also pointing downwards but is far from being oversold. So this may still have some room to go down further. Fundamentally, stock has negative earnings as well. Looking at the financial reports, even first quarter, I know it hasn't reported its first quarter financial report yet. Annually, it had a loss of 1.5 billion pesos, but it's at least lower versus 9.1 billion in 2015. Stock is also trading at 9.39 times price to book value, which is quite expensive, so this is not appetizing fundamentally as well. That was your top gainer and top loser analysis for May 17, 2017. This is not a stock recommendation. We encourage you to consider your financial goals, investment horizon, and risk tolerance when you make an investment decision. We cover the top 5 gainers and the top 5 losers in the premium version of this report. Please visit www.stocksignals.ph to learn more about our services. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful evening, everyone.